Hello dear friends, today in this video we will discuss about water cement ratio in concrete mix. So how can we define water cement ratio? It is the water cement ratio is the ratio of the weight of water to the weight of cement used in a concrete mix. Now there is a problem. If you keep low ratio, it will lead to higher strength and durability, but there is a problem. If you keep low ratio, it will be difficult to work with that mix. But nowadays, you know that science experiment resolved this problem by using plasticizer and super plasticizer. But everybody cannot afford this. So we will use suitable water cement ratio. Now the second problem is if we use too much water, it will result in segregation of sand and aggregates component from cement paste. Now dear friends, what is segregation? Segregation means separation of particles from concrete mix. So dear friends, segregation also occurs when you drop concrete from 1.5 meter. It means that when you drop, the limit of dropping concrete is 1.5 meter. If you increase the distance, it will cause segregation. And the other problem is if you use too much water, it will cause bleeding. So what is mean by bleeding? This is the small pores present inside the concrete after you cast this, and it will see only by microscope. So this will reduce your final strength of a concrete. So now come to the point. In concrete, we take water cement ratio as 0.45 to 0.60. So now here I will write. So here water cement ratio we take as 0.45 to 0.60. It's a suitable water cement ratio for cement in a concrete mix. So what is this 0.5 to 0.6? It is that for 1 kg of cement we will use 0.45 kg of water. Now what is this 0.45 kg of water? It means that for 100 gram of cement we require 450 ml of water or 450 gram of water. So now we will find for 50 kg of cement how much water we will require. As you know that one bag consists of 50 kg cement. The weight of one bag is 50 kg. So how we will find this? We will find here that one bag cement is equal to 50 kg. Now weight of water for one bag is equal to what is the formula now? It is the formula that water cement ratio multiply by weight of cement bag. So now as you can see here, the water cement ratio is, we will take here 0.45 and the weight of one bag is 50 kg. So how much water we will use in 50 kg? Now multiply this and you will get 22.5 liters, or it will comes here in kg. So as you know that 1 kg of water is equal to 1 liter. So here we will consider that 22.5 kg is equal to 22.5 liters. So guys, by this method we can find the water cement ratio in a concrete. So this 0.45 to 0.6 is a suitable water cement ratio. You can take anywhere from this value, or you can take 0.5, 0.55 as you want. So in this video we learn about water cement ratio. Guys, if you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment and give your suggestion too, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.